In a previous video, I talked about the importance of knowing as much as possible about those visiting your website and the information that they're looking for. In this video, I want to show you 4 tools that will help you truly understand how your visitors use your site and what they really think of it. Google Analytics, SurveyMonkey, CrazyEgg, and UserTestingcom. Google Analytics is a service offered by Google that generates detailed statistics about a website's traffic and traffic sources and then measures conversion rates and sales. It would take hours to cover even the basics of analytics, but I want to share this simple report showing how Google Analytics can help you understand your target audience's engagement and experience compared with the rest of your site's traffic. For example, this report might show that your target audience, people in California, responding to an email campaign and using a mobile device, spend more time on your site, view more pages, and have a lower bounce rate than a sampling of your visitors combined. While the data provided through a proper implementation of analytics is extremely useful in optimizing landing pages, search campaigns, and e-commerce efforts, let's take a look at a few other tools you might find more immediately gratifying. SurveyMonkey is an extremely powerful yet relatively easy to use service that lets you design and manage online surveys. SurveyMonkey lets you design surveys to gather both qualitative and quantitative data. Your surveys can be extremely simple or quite complex depending on your needs. Once your survey is designed, you manage everything from SurveyMonkey's dashboard. You can conveniently edit current or past surveys, distribute your survey by email, your website, blog, and social networks, and finally, view and distribute the results of your survey. You can easily review raw, detailed, or summarized data for each question, as well as customize report summaries, graphs, and charts with just a click or two. And by the way, you can get started with SurveyMonkey for free, so there's no excuse for you not to try this amazing service right now. CrazyEgg provides 4 ways to view how your visitors are using your website, each designed to take the guesswork out of your page optimization efforts. To use this service, you simply copy a snippet of code to the web pages that you want to test. The first view is CrazyEgg's heat map. Basically, a heat map is a snapshot of where people are clicking on your web page. Each time someone clicks on your page, CrazyEgg records it and lumps it together with other visitors' clicks into hotspots, representing the areas on your site that are getting the most clicks. CrazyEgg's scroll maps show how far down the page your visitors are scrolling. With this view, you can easily determine whether or not your most important content is being viewed. CrazyEgg's confetti view shows the exact places people are clicking on your page. Unlike heat maps, the confetti view shows clicks as colored dots, representing refers, geolocations, browser types, and more. Oh, there's one more view that CrazyEgg provides you that you might find helpful. The overlay view allows you to easily see the number of clicks each link on your page is getting and the percentage of the total clicks that the link receives. This information is not nearly as detailed as that which is provided by Google Analytics, but it's quite convenient if you happen to be using CrazyEgg for any of the other views. Finally, I want to introduce you to one of my favorite online services, UserTestingcom. User testing allows you to design and manage usability tests using wireframes, prototypes, and live mobile and desktop sites. The power of UserTestingcom is your ability to watch and listen to real people using their normal computer or mobile device as they complete tasks and answer questions you design, all in real time. Designing a test is not automatic. First, you need to define the task and question set. Then you define the desired test subjects using profile and demographic data that closely resemble your target audiences. The more experience you have designing such tests, the more successful you'll find your outcome. When your test is ready, UserTestingcom assigns it to your predefined number of test subjects, all matching the criteria you specified. The tests are then completed, usually within 1 or 2 working days, and you can easily track the test's progress on your account dashboard. From there, you can view each subject's written responses to the questions in your test. And most importantly, you can view, save, and annotate video recordings of each tester as they share their thoughts and actions about the tasks assigned to them throughout the video. In addition to the reports you would expect to find, user testing lets you know how long your test took to complete, its completion rate, and suggestions from your test subjects, all intended to help you improve your test design skills the next time around. Finally, UserTestingcom provides an experimental service to see how your site compares to that of your competitors as you define them. So there you have it, 4 outstanding ways you can learn what your visitors truly think of your website. I hope you'll take some time to experiment with each of them, Then put that knowledge you gained to work, making your website the very best it can be.